everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I am obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related, and in today's video I am going to be showing you what I got, and it is by SkinStore by Laboratories Filorga Paris right here. I'm going to show you guys what I got in this box, and I'm just so excited to open it. Before we get started, hi, I'm Morgan. I'm obsessed with all things luxury skincare related. Guys, I'm aware that there is a huge market for affordable skincare, and honestly, I love luxury skincare. There's a whole world of luxury skincare products out there that no one really knows about, and I am here to spill all that tea to give you guys all the feedback on what is luxury skincare. If you're not into luxury skincare, that's fine. Still tune into these videos because we're here to spill all that luxury tea. Anyway, grab a coffee, grab a water, grab a smoothie, and let's get right into this video so I can show you guys what I got in this luxurious beauty. Guys, first of all, this is a box. It's black, white, and luxe. The box is soft. It's from the SkinStore. Guys, before I get started, I want to let you know that I do have a code, but okay, the code is Morgan25, right? Yes, Morgan25. Hi, how are you? I'm also a fan of the number 25, by the way, because I could get you 25% off this box. I haven't even opened it yet, but October 25th is my birthday, so like, I don't know, every time I see the number 25, I'm like, oh, cool, yeah, 25% off. Guys, this is already a luxurious box. It's soft. I mean, the color scheme is black and white, which I love. Wanna know what this is? It's classy looking to me. So when you receive this, this is what you're gonna receive. This isn't like a junky looking box. There's not like glitter. The cardboard isn't like thin. There's no creasing. There's no anything. Like the presentation of this box is amazing. So let me show you what's in it before I even start talking about pricing and talking about like discounts. So what you get in it, it's by the brand Filorga. Guys, before I tap into this book, guys, this special is through the SkinStore, by the way, but I wanna tell you guys a little bit about the brand before I open this up because I think it's really cool. This is the brand was founded and established in 1978 by a French skin doctor. He started out with like skin injectables. And I'm on the website. I just want to read you a little bit about it so we're kind of familiar because this is by no means a new skincare brand. This is first of all, we love French skincare, do we not? I mean, shoot, I do. This doctor, I don't want to get too far into it because I know all these skincare brands have these really deep-rooted stories, if you will, in history, which I personally like because I like to know where all these expensive skincare products are made and come from. After years of research on skin physiology, the doctor invented a unique injectable poly-revitalizing formula capable of acting on the key parameters of skin health. From this passion, Laboratories Filorga was born with a passion for developing cosmetics that provide unique benefits for the daily user. This doctor had a really big passion in skin cell biology. So he was basically researching. Of course, let's hope this is skincare after all. Filorga was the first French laboratory of aesthetic medicine through their medicinal properties by designing and manufacturing injectables used by the world's greatest specialists in aesthetic medicine. We love injectables, right? Because it diminishes our wrinkles, but we also want to prevent injectables as much as we can by reversing and preventing wrinkles from even happening, which is why we invest so much money in good skincare to begin with, you guys, which is why we invest money into buying good products like this. So Medi Cosmetique, a range of revolutionary cosmetic care products. The expertise developed in aesthetic medicine by Laboratories Filorga was the genesis for the creation of Medi Cosmetique, with the goal to develop a range of cosmetic products formulated with the hyaluronic acid and extending the active ingredients used in injections to new applications in the formulation of cutting-edge cosmetics. And then the same active ingredients used in injections extended to new topical use, which of course then turned into high-performance products, such as topical products, which is what we as consumers use to apply on top of our face to prevent wrinkles, dark spots, anti-aging, plumping, everything. Let's get right into this box. I think we get it now, right? Let me just unbox this and let me show you guys what comes in this box. This box is valued at $170, but with code Morgan25, I'm also gonna link it down below. You can get it for $88 using my code. I think I get something from the code, but I don't really know, but I think I get something from the code. I don't even know. I don't even really care. Just open this box to show you guys what's in it. Let's just get it poppin' because I want to know what's in it. $88? I cannot even believe this. I was like quaking when I was opening this box with you guys. I was like, oh my God, like the hits just kept coming. I was like, holy crow. The one product in this entire group that I've heard the most about is the Filorga Laboratories Meso Mask, the Smoothing Radiance Mask. I am so excited for this product. I have such a space for this product in my routine right now. This is one mask that I'm lacking in the routine, so I'm super excited about this. Then I got the Filorga Time Filler Absolute Wrinkle Correcting Cream. I might tap into this on this video real quick. And then the Optim Eyes Contour Eye Cream right here, Youth Performance Regard Eyes. We're gonna just tap into this one right now because have you seen the dark circles around my eyes? It's ridiculous. I also got a micellar solution. I'm so excited about this because if you don't know me, I don't cleanse in the morning, and every esthetician I talk to, they're always like giving me pushback about it. They're like, you know, you should be cleansing twice a day, but every time I do that, I break myself out more. I get red, I get irritated. It's just too harsh. I haven't found a good, anyway, I could get away with though, a good micellar water in the morning. But I'm actually gonna open the eye cream up for us right now. This is gonna be a separate video. If you guys are really into this mask, this is a pretty popular mask from this brand. Let me know in the comments below. And that one calls for its own video for sure. Actually, probably everything in this calls for its own separate video, but I wanna tap into this right now. Love the packaging, Filorga all over the place, love it. Oh my God, I am so sorry. I feel like an idiot. It's Filorga, not Filgora. I sound like I am so sorry. It is Filorga. Filorga. Anyway, let's just wow. Okay. So by the way, you get really good sizes with this. You get a full-size version of the meso mask. That's for sure. You get really good sizes of the Optim Eyes. The eye cream, you get 0.5 fluid ounces. That's a good, I think that's a full-size eye cream. That's what all eye creams come in. So that's full size. The meso mask is full size. The micellar solution isn't, but honestly, you get a good amount. You get 1.69 fluid ounces. That's a lot, especially all for $88. 2 full-size things, and then like that much of this wrinkle correcting contraption is really nice. You get a nice night mask. I love night masks, by the way. This is a nice sample. It's 0.23 fluid ounces of a night mask. I'm a big fan of night masks. I know some people can do with them, some people can do without them. I personally love lathering my entire face in a good, beautiful night mask. I wake up feeling plump, radiant, smooth, hydrated, and ready to take on the day. A good night mask will honestly take you a long, long way. So I'm all about a good night mask, and I'm excited to be able to test and try this specific one out. If anything, this box, honestly, is I think more than just a tester because you get a lot of product for the price. But this is great if you want to get super, super, super familiar with the Filorga brand. And then of course you get the time filler mask, super smoothing mask, visibly boosting collagen formula. I don't do a lot of sheet masks. I probably should. You guys know, if you've been watching me, I'm so happy with the products that I've been using on my skin that I've been doing without sheet masks. I don't know, call me whatever. I just have not been feeling the urge to sheet masks because I've just been, those products that I've been like putting on my face, I've just been loving so much. Everything I show you guys, I just don't have that urge to like, oh my God, I need a sheet mask tonight. Like I need a good dose of this. I feel so fulfilled. But with a brand like Filorga, with a background like it has, it being French, and you know how I get, it being luxe, this calls for its own separate video. Definitely sound off in the comments below if you want a good sheet mask video. Now, let's tap right into this eye cream. Enough babbling, Morgan. So, love the packaging of this eye cream, by the way. Everything's in French too in the background. Like this is, none of it's in English. It's right in the back too, what I love. It says made in France right here. If you guys remember like my almost like a legal like ingredients breakdown, because I was a paralegal back in the day and I know how to like break down legal, like I dove deep into legal requirements of ingredients and how ingredients could legally lie to you. Anyway, each brand is required to tell you an address of where each product is made in what country. These are right in France. So look at the packaging of this product. This is iconic for an eye cream. I personally think that all brands should start moving towards a packaging like this. It's cleaner, it makes the products last longer on your shelf, it's way more hypoallergenic, and you could definitely control your creams and product much, much more with an application and packaging like this. So this is an eye cream, so I have to dab some of this on. I have to for the camera. It is definitely fragrance, Honestly, a lot of you guys tell me you don't mind fragrance in your skincare. Some of you are like, no, I can't do it. A lot of people in the luxury market personally like a good fragrance. I don't mind a good fragrance. Just don't break me out, don't irritate my eyes, and don't give me a rash. That's how I stand with fragrance, especially being that this is for my eyes. I'm a little worried, but like, let's see how it goes. So I just like to dab, right? And this is for the contour. So give me this great contoured eye moment. And then I'm just gonna go. It sweeps under my eyes really nice, actually, you guys. Dark circles, puffiness, and wrinkles. That's exactly what I need right now. My puffiness is, so then when you wanna open and close it, you just do this. That's actually really, really nice, you guys. Look at that. That's amazing. I love that. I love that, Filorga. Love, love, love that. Love that. Love that. Oh my God, I love that. So the next product, so guys, honestly, this is a win for me. This is for sure a winner. This is definitely $88 for all this. That's one product. That's one product. That's like a one fresh product. That's like a one drunk elephant product. That's like, you know what I'm saying? This brand is, well, Nick, I'm serious, guys. You should, I'm not just saying this because I have a discount code, because you guys know I buy my own stuff anyway. I personally, do you guys think I care about discount? Come on. My subscribers who've been following me forever, you guys know I'll just buy it if I want it anyway. But anyway, it takes you through each thing that they send you. You get this with your gorgeous package. It gives you a full rundown of each product, which I know you guys have a lot of questions on the products that I talk about, like such as ingredients, what they do, are they good for your skin, application tips, everything. It all comes in the box. Great sizes, great box. Totally worth the $88. Honestly, it's even worth the $170, but I wouldn't wait that long. Honestly, I would use my discount code. Why not? $88 versus $170. You can honestly get a new skincare product. Why pay $170 when you could pay $88? Because like you can with the money you save, you can get another skincare product. This is how I think, you guys. Seriously, this is how I think. See, this is when Morgan stops pretending like she's on camera and then she just starts real talking her subscribers and then she like helps everybody. Wait, you can save yourself $82 and then with that $82, you literally can either A, go get a facial, or B, buy another skincare product of your choice. $82, literally go get another facial or buy another product from the SkinStore. Why not? Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I have. Thank you so much, SkinStore, for sending me this. I really enjoyed this, and I'm honestly so happy and excited to share this with my subscribers, because this, honestly, they made this video really easy for me. This has been really, really great. A lot of individual videos to come on these products, because this is a brand that definitely, I think, fits our luxurious French-like attitudes, and we love quality on this channel above all else. Yes, we say luxury, but really what we're trying to say is we love quality. We love quality and things that work. Everybody, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel below. We're always reviewing and breaking down luxury skincare products and giving you guys the real tea on what's really popping and what's really happening here in the luxury skincare world. Absolutely tap in, take advantage of the 25% off with Morgan25. I'll link everything down below. And you guys have a fantastic, flawless, gorgeous day. I love you all. Stay tuned, and I'll see you soon. Bye.